Hello everyone. In this episode, we'll discuss how to combine two tables in Power BI using DAX union function. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. First, I will show you the data table. So the first is a movies award table, award one table, and here you can see the movie title, award type, and award win count. And here four movies are listed. The second table is the movies award 2 table, and again you can see the movie titles, award type, and award win count. And here three movies are listed. So column wise both the table are same. So I want to combine both the table and create a single table. Okay. So what to do? In the option table and tool option, you will find the option here new table. You have to just click here, and here you can give the table name. So I'll say movies, and I will use a union function. The first parameter it will be a table, my table name award one table, and now the second parameter will be the award movie award two tables. Now I'll close the bracket and accept this. So you can see both the table combines into a one, and new table is created, that is movies. And here you can see total seven record, four from the award one table and three from the award two table. So let us count one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.